Here I have TCL 20L, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located here. So just put the tool inside the hole next to the slot, and the slot will come out. And now you can insert the SD card here and the SIM card here, and then just put it back into your device, just like this. And as you can see, it immediately requires the PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that that SIM card is read. And there is also a notification that SD card found, which is the proof that SD card is also read. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.